Welcome to the Nature on the Road. This is the Gurr Mandi of Peshawar. Gurr received from sugar cane and crushed in this machine. After crushing, water of sugarcane come here and fill into a big tub and boil. 2 to 3 hours boiling, the water color change into reddish and thick and fill into another tub for cooling. The process starts for cooling. After cooling, the gur is more hard and soft and making ball by hand. In this process, the gur is prepared in the Ghana. Gur making factory is located in villages where the gur making is called Ghana in local Pashto language.